Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest buzzwords in the world of artificial intelligence, agentic AI. Now, what does it mean? What is agentic AI? Why is everyone talking about it? And how could it change the future of how we work and live? Stick around because we're breaking it down in just a few minutes. So, our first question, what does agentic means? First, let's start with the word agentic. It comes from the word agent, which in AI means a system or software that can act on its own rather than just following simple instructions. Traditional AI systems are like tools. You give them a command and they perform that task, but they don't really decide what to do next on their own. An agentic AI, on the other hand, is designed to plan, make decisions, and pursue goals, sometimes even deciding which goals to pursue or how to accomplish them. Second question is, how is agentic AI different from regular AI? So, what makes agentic AI different from regular AI? Like the voice assistants were used to think of it like this. A regular AI is like a calculator. You put in numbers, you get an answer, it waits for your input. An agentic AI is more like a personal assistant who understands your goals. For example, instead of just answering an email, you dictate. An agentic AI might check your calendar, draft the email, send it at the right time, follow up if there's no reply. It can take initiative and handle multiple steps on your behalf. Our third question is, what is real world example of agentic AI? We're already seeing early examples of agentic AI in development. Companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google are building AI agents that can browse the internet for you, plan tasks, or even execute software code to solve problems. Imagine telling your AI, organize my photos, book a weekend trip under $500, and send our birthday invites. Instead of you doing all the work, the AI figures out the steps, compares options, and get it done. Why people are excited and a little nervous? So, because it's moving AI from just answering questions to actually doing things for us, this could save time, boost productivity, help businesses run more efficiently, but it also raises new challenges. If an AI can make decisions on its own, how do we ensure it's safe, ethical, and aligned with what humans want? There's a lot of debate about how much freedom these agents should have and how to prevent mistakes or misissue use. The future of agentic AI is super exciting and still unfolding. Some believe we'll one day have digital personal assistants that handle huge parts of our daily lives. Other want we need careful rules and oversight. Either way, agentic AI could be one of the biggest changes in how we work, communicate, and live in the next decade. So, that's a quick look at agentic AI, what it is, how it's different, and why it matters. Are you excited or worried about becoming more agentic? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next tech deep dive. Thanks for watching. Would you like more videos on it? Then please subscribe and get me a like so I make more and more videos in these type of topics.